Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Thursday, the 11th of April. Starting off with Solana, which has been one of the star performers in the recent past, but it is retracing towards the 50-day moving average at $160. Ideally, we stay above that and then head up towards the top of the channel as high as $225 by the end of next month. There is obviously the risk that we have to go down to the floor of the channel there around $150 before the market finally settles down after the double top through $200. Perhaps rather less high profile is the next market we're going to look at, Aergo, and here you can see that we've got this rising trend channel from back in November. Good support at the floor of the channel, third time we've bounced on that, and the view now is that while the 50-day line is rising and we find support at the price channel floor, we can head up as high as the 28 cents level as soon as the end of next month, maybe even sooner than that, given the relatively fast price action you're seeing in this market. Only back below the 15 cents area really delaying the idea of a recovery at Aergo. On to Helium, which seems to be in decent form at the moment. You can see that we've got this rising trend channel once again in place since November. We found support there at $5.40, above that the initial target here $7.30 by the end of this month, and then maybe a bigger picture target 1 to 2 months forward up towards the price channel top as high as $11 or $12 by the end of May. But clearly we want to see the market here stay on the right side of $5 in the interim. Moving along to another hopeful in terms of the bull argument, and here we've got Jasmy coin. You can see that we've been bouncing off a sharply rising 50-day moving average. That's around the 20 cents level and above 20 cents, looking for the top of the rising trend channel from December as high as 38 cents. And that could be hit hopefully as soon as the end of this month, given the breakout that we're seeing at the moment. Another situation which looks as though it may have legs is Maple. Here we've got a rising trend channel from October. We found support above the rising 50-day line, which tends to be a leading indicator on the upside. That 50-day line there at $18.20, and above that looking for up to $32 as soon as the end of this month. Next situation is one that maybe new to some, but hopefully it will become a regular feature here. We've got Mubi, and here you can see that Multibit, as it's otherwise known, has a rising trend channel in place since December. The floor of the channel there around 11 cents. It leaves us looking for 22 cents well before the end of this month, hopefully in the next few sessions. If we break through that, obviously the next area up would be the upper parallel of that rising trend channel, as high as 31 cents, maybe before the end of May. But the rising 50-day line and the support above that gives this market a rather good look. On to Neo, and here a market that we've looked at recently, and one which seems to be determined to break out. We've got new support coming at old resistance around $18. The longer we stay above $18, the greater the chance of a move up towards the top of that rising trend channel from back in August last year at $28 or even $29 by the end of this month, or even sooner. Going on to a situation which is called Ontology Gas, rising trend channel once again from October in this case. The top of the channel there heading towards as high as 65 cents. We're expecting that hopefully by the end of next month, if we can get a decent quick clearance of the 45 to 50 cents area in the first half, or even the second half of April. But the first half of April would be great, and then that would pencil in 65 cents as soon as the end of next month. Moving on to Pendle, and here the picture, a very strong one. We've nearly achieved the top of that rising trend channel from the end of October. That is heading for $8.10, and we're hoping for that hopefully over the next week or so. Ideally, we stay on the right side of recent support in the $6.40 area. One of the wittier ticker codes around is coming up next with Pirate Chain. And here, rising trend channel, a wide one, and a great performance over the last few sessions. Looking for this market to hit the top of that rising trend channel from June as high as 42 cents by the end of this month, or even sooner. Ideally, it happens just in the next week or so. Moving on to the last two, and Suku is the first of them, and here you'll see why with the massive spike to the upside. The original target here, the top of that rising trend channel from August, around 17 cents. Above that, we're looking for a very steep resistance line projection from back in February. That is heading currently for the 37 cents area. Hopefully we'll see that by the end of this month, while we remain above recent intraday support around 23 or 24 cents. The last pick of the day is coming up, and it's Shapeshift, and here we got rising trend channel. That's been in place since back in August. The top of that channel, the initial channel, the red channel there, heading for up to the 19 cents area. If you're a fan of this market, then looking for greater glory through 19, could target up to 26 cents, but probably expecting that to happen by the end of next month, not by the end of this month. That's it for me today. More updates over the weekend.